Hi, welcome to the Critical Text Analysis course, or CTA for short. My name is Cash Clifton. I'm the Academic Foundations Coordinator. I'll be reaching out to you throughout the semester. If you have any questions about your time here at UNM, you're always welcome to contact me by email at cclifton4@unm.edu. I'll also be available in the CTA Cafe and Microsoft Teams. So, you're going to begin the course by logging in at learn.unm.edu and clicking on your FYEX 1030 course. You'll land on something that says Start Here. So you want to start here and go into your first learning module. This is going to walk you through how your CTA course is going to work and basically show you how learning online in general works. You can use the little arrow over here on the right side of your screen to move forward through the module. As you see videos, you can play them within the screen and make them full size if you'd like. You'll go through your syllabus, instructor information, and class calendar as you begin the class. Your overall content is going to take place in weekly assignments. So you're going to log in, and this week you need to be sure and do Learning Module 0 and Week 1. So when you click on Learning Module 0, it looks just like the Start Here module. So you'll find that things are very, very similar looking in CTA. Now, one of the very first things you're going to do is register in EdReady. So I click here, and you're going to see a video overview of how to use EdReady. You'll see how to create an EdReady account, and then you'll have a link to access EdReady. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. I think these are the basic things you need to know for now in terms of content. We'll get to the rest of these pieces as the semester goes on. You can always get assistance with Learn and Learning Online in general through these links right here. I do want to draw your attention to communication, so if you haven't already, be sure you download the Outlook app and make sure you're checking your UNM email. You also want to download the Microsoft Teams app, and you should have been added to the CTA Cafe team. Now, announcements are where your instructor will communicate with you throughout the semester, and then you can always keep an eye on your grades. Now, if you've downloaded the Microsoft Teams app, it'll look something like this. Let me resize it so you can see the whole thing. Okay, so you'll click on the CTA Cafe. And if you have questions or if you need anything throughout the semester, you can always type down here. So you can always start a new conversation, or you can go into the different channels. So if you need help with things like assignments and EdReady help, you can type here and ask for help. Your CTA instructors and I will be keeping an eye on the team here throughout the semester to help you with anything that arises, whether it's related to the class itself or whether it's related to your time here at UNM. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything. Your CTA instructors and peer mentor tutors are here to help you succeed. I hope you have a great start to your semester, and welcome to UNM.